Hey guys, I'm back with another video here. I just wanted to talk about Mass Effect 3. Now, when I bought the game on Steam, I noticed it was lagging like hell. So I just want to show you the power of the Origin overlay. When I enable this button, oh my god, does this crap lag. It lags so much. Let me show you the lag. And it might not look like it from the video, but I'm telling you right now, if you use this fix, it'll make your game just look so much nicer. The FPS will be much faster. So if anyone's wondering how to do that, you just go into the settings of Origin and just turn off that overlay. I'm just doing this to demonstrate what the Origin overlay does and how you can fix it. So connecting. It's so annoying when you have to connect to like servers to play an offline game. And the thing is, well, I guess it does have the, online capabilities, but I really hope you guys can see that lag. Like, look, like I'm moving the mouse at the same speed. It's just that the frame rate is pretty dreadful. So I'm going to go back into application settings, go to Origin in game, turn this off, minimize this, go back in. Now we have to communicate with their servers again, which is always fantastic because I love waiting like an extra 10 to 20 seconds that literally did not need to be there just to play the game, but I guess they have to validate the DLC somehow. Can't fault them too much. A lot of people are pirating, although with due respect, like good few people who pirate still buy the game anyway. Just tell you guys if you're curious, I don't think I mentioned it before, I have a Ryzen 5 and a GTX 1060, 24 gigs of RAM, and look at this. This is so much nicer. Like, there is no stutter. There's absolutely none. It just feels so much nicer to play, and it doesn't ruin the immersion. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching.